Hello, hi, what's up, guys? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel. This is Sham, and today we have a lot of students or a lot of friends are asking for personal strategy because we are going to office, and of course, many of us working from home. We cannot sit and monitor the day trading so, with a lot of demand, we came up with a great positional strategy for office goers and who are the retired people and who cannot sit all the day in front of the monitor. This is the strategy for them only. And without any ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. Let's get into the strategy. This is a Nifty 50 chart. The mainly basically the strategy is very simple, and I don't want to mix up so many things and spoil the whatever you call the dish. Maybe my favorite is chicken biryani. Okay, so I don't want to spoil the biryani. I just want to give some ready-made spices, one or two, maybe three. That's it. Okay, so uh, what are the indicators I'm using that? Please make a note or take a screenshot of that. Okay, we are using two moving averages and the two simple moving averages, daily moving averages or normal moving averages. Okay, first is that 96. Okay, this is make it in red. I'll tell you why the red also, little bit bold. Okay, and then the main thing is 200. Okay, don't skip the video. Okay, so this is the basic strategy. So where is my entry? Obviously this crossover, no, it's not like that. So once the price is above the 200 moving average, then we can take entry. Okay, and what are the other conditions? Okay, RSI should be 50 above. Okay, I made this band. Actually I'll show you the setting also. Just click on this symbol, setting symbol, and the top line upper limit is 51 and the lower limit would be 40. Okay, make like this only for this template or for this strategy. Okay, while taking entry, once the price is above 200, while taking entry, just check it out. One more point is that RSI line should be above 50. That's it. Okay, so once you take an entry, the trade will continue like this. Then why this red line again? This will be our stop loss only. This is entry. The 200 moving average is our entry, and second condition is that RSI should be above 50, and this would be our stop loss or exit point. Whenever the price closing, not crossing, closing below the 96, we should exit from the trade. Okay, from here 10,000 to 14,000 we can carry forward. Okay, there is no issue. Just go above this. So we are considering this only as a entry, right? I'll zoom it for you guys. Okay, this is my entry because the price has closed above the 200 average, so I don't care about the 96 while entering. And my second rule is that it should be above the band. It should be above the band. Okay, I've taken the entry 11,350. I've taken, and once it is closing the 96, so I'm exiting here 11,680. So 11,300, 11,700, 600, 300 points only. So, and again, if you want to project your target before the 96, you can use Fibonacci retracement. I'll show you how. And if you want to know about the Fibonacci retracement, we made a beautiful video on Fibonacci also. You just please go and watch it. I'll give you in the description also. Okay, so this is our entry. So I'm taking it as a from low to high. Okay, so you can uh, you can set it as a 50% also. Otherwise, you can exit at these levels also. It's already made high, right? So this is the first level of support. If it is breaking, then you can exit. I'm not particular about that, because that's up depend on you. Because from here, around October, it is the signal has given the entry actually. Till February the trade closed. Okay, till now, if you can able to hold this much, definitely in this period we can exit also. Okay, so this is all about this strategy, and we'll see some examples with Titan. Yeah, this is my entry, and RSI also is supporting. My entry is at 1083 and my exit 1473. Okay, for the shorting also same rule. Once the price is below the 200 moving average, we can enter, and rule is that RSI should be below the band. That's it, and this would be our stop loss. Reverse mode. Okay, hope you got it. Yeah, here also it's a dilly dally, maybe stop loss. Here we got a nice move. Our second rule also satisfied. Then this kind of a move, guys, one move, one trade is enough for 6 months or 1 year also. This is continuing till from November 2008 to 2009 July, almost an year. Okay, from the cost of 886 to our stop loss 1000 rupees. So we'll see another quick example. Reliance. Okay, so this would be entry, and this is the stop loss. This would be entry. Same. We can exit at these levels, or we cannot wait, right, for losing the profits. So definitely we would exit at these levels, or else RSI is above crossing the band also. We can take it, consider this also an exit scenario. Okay, and these is the move we can catch, and this is the move, and this is all no trading zone. If you got this kind of a scenario, there is no trade zone for the stock. Go for another opportunity. Okay, hope you understand and like this video, and press on your like button, so that I'll come to know that you liked this video. Thank you so much.